Join me for this quick yoga flow stretching routine. Start by taking a deep breath in, reach up to the sky, open up your chest, squeeze your shoulder blades together and allow the air to fill your lungs. One more time, up and open. Deep breath in and out. Slowly roll your head to one side and then to the other. Keep taking deep breaths and slowly roll down one vertebra at a time until your hands touch the ground. Walk your hands forward and come into a downward dog. Push your heels into the ground and start bending one leg at a time. Push your heels into the ground and shoot up one leg to the sky. Bend your leg, pull your knee towards your nose and shoot it back up. One more time. And come back down. One more time, walk your legs out. And push both heels into the floor. Other leg up to the sky. Pull your knee towards your nose. Back up. And one more time. And lower your leg back to the ground. One more time, walk out your legs. And push both heels into the ground for a deep hamstring stretch. Come into a high plank position and lower your body to the ground. Untuck your toes and come into a Cobra stretch. Open up your chest and breathe in. And with your next exhale, come to the ground. One more time. Up into Cobra. And breathe. Come back down. Now grab both feet and push with your feet against your hands and lift up as high as you can. And come back down. Take a short break, and when you're ready, one more time. And relax. Let go of your legs. Tuck your toes under and come back up into a high plank position. Shift back into a downward dog. Stretch your hamstrings and one more time. Lift one leg up to the sky. Open your leg to the side. Come back up. One more time to the side. Back up and pull your knee towards your nose. Step your foot in between your hands. And come up, reach to the sky. And And open up your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades together in the back. Interlace your fingers and straighten your arms while opening up your chest. Deep breaths. Slowly put your knee on the ground, untuck your toes and come up. Allow your hips to fall deep into the stretch. One hand on the ground and grab your toes with your other arm. Once again, with each exhale, allow your hips to drop deeper into the stretch. And let go of your leg. Tuck your toes under, come back up, and push your leg back up to the sky, and slowly come back down. Walk your legs out for 1 second, and then let's do everything on the other side. Open to the side, back up. One more time, open to the side, come back up. Knee to your nose, step in between your hands, and come up. Open up your chest. And interlace your fingers behind your back. Slowly lower your knee to the ground, untuck your toes and come up. With each exhale, allow your hips to sink deeper into the stretch. One hand on the ground, the other hand grabs your toes. And stretch. And when you're ready, let go of your leg, tuck your toes under, and shoot your leg back up to the sky. Slowly come down. One more time, walk your legs out. And when you're ready, jump or walk your feet to your hands and fold forward to stretch. Pull your upper body towards your legs and then interlace your fingers behind your back and let your arms fall down. Slightly swing from side to side if that feels good to you. And try to let go of tension with each exhale. Gently swing from side to side, and when you're ready, roll up slowly, one vertebra at a time.